The secret $500 tip at the midnight diner. It was throws 3 a.m. and I had exactly $7 in my bank account. I was drowning, and honestly, I was about to lose it. Then he walks in, hoodie pulled low, dark shades on. I knew who he was instantly, the biggest country star in the world. But right then, he just looked exhausted. I didn't grab my phone. I didn't ask for a photo. I just set down a coffee and whispered, "Rough night? Pancakes are on the house if you just want some peace and quiet." He gave me this tiny, grateful nod. An hour later, he was gone. But under the syrup bottle, I found 5 crisp $100 bills. He left a note on a napkin that said, "Thank you for seeing the human and not the headline." I didn't buy anything fancy. I paid my rent, and for the first time in months, I could finally breathe. He'll never know my name, but he saved me.